Hello everyone, I'm Rob, and today I'd like to share with you a new to CRKT, the M16 Balisong. Now the CRKT M16 line is as iconic as the designer behind them, Kit Carson. Known as functional, reliable tools in and out of the field, the M16 has seen many different iterations. The MagnaCut M16 Balisong was a natural step for this product. While not a perfect fit for everyone, it's versatile and, let's face it, a lot of fun. And it's a new take on a classic design. So let's get into it a little bit and talk about this knife. So we have two versions of the M16 Bali, the M1603, which is a 3.4-inch drop point blade, and the M1602 Bali, which is a 3.4-inch Tonto style blade. Both come with a coated titanium handle and weighing in at only 2.5 ounces. You'll notice some of the unmistakably M16 elements, such as the handle's profile and the pseudo holes in the frame here, kind of hearkening to that original M16 look. You'll also see these pivots. They have that same waffle texturing associated with the M16 line. This texturing was designed by Kit Carson with the use of these M16s and the M21 lines being used in deployment or tactical applications where someone may need to break down their tools quickly and without the availability of specialized tools. We also see the dual hilt here with the milled holes and typical M16 jimping. These give a nod to the reference points for new hands trying out the Balisong, as well as since these are designed to be utilitarian Balisongs, they help give additional purchase points and bracing for more difficult tasks, as well as guard the hands from sliding forward to that biting edge. Speaking of reference point, the latch is aligned with the bite edge, so you always know which is your safe handle, which also has the clip on it, another really good reference point. The textured handles and latch groove make for a very secure closure when not in use. I also appreciate there's a little bit of a gap here, so while you're flipping, if your latch were to close, it's not coming in direct contact with your blade edge, so you're not damaging that blade. The Bali comes with that shallow clip that keeps it discreet and avoids snags, but secures the knife very nicely. So overall, a very fun new take on the classic design of the M16. Based on the original designs by Kit Carson, this is the US-made CRKT M16 Balisong.